Hey everyone, this is Somnath Gowda from Future Coders. In this video tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a custom scroll bar using HTML and CSS. As you can see, this is what we will be creating in this video tutorial, and you are going to learn a lot about these scroll bars. So please make sure you stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Please make sure you also watch my previous videos in which you are going to learn a lot about HTML and CSS. Let's start building this. So it's time to create our own custom scroll bar. Okay, so here inside the index.html, in order to see a scroll bar, we need to actually have a dummy content, right? Let's create some dummy content so that we can see the scroll bar over here. Since this is a tutorial for custom scroll bar, I won't be focusing more on the design part of this website or this dummy content. I'll be creating it roughly. So here inside the body, I'll create a container. Inside this container, I will have a text container. There are two things there will be two things inside this text container. One is going to be the image, which is going to be you can use any image you want. I will be using this image, post.jpg, or what you can do is you can just add some dummy content until you see this scroll bar. As you can see, here is our ugly looking default browser scroll bar, right? We are going to customize that. Okay, let's focus on this dummy content. Here I will be adding a paragraph with lorem of 50 words. There we go. Let's create this paragraph 4 more times. Okay, that's it. There is our dummy content. Now inside the styles.css, I'm using a custom font from the Google Fonts, that is Poppins. You can use any font weight you want, or you can leave it as the default font. I will clear out the default margin and padding being applied by the browser by saying margin 0, box size padding 0, box sizing to border box. Okay, now for the body, okay, not square brackets, I'll set the background color to gray. Let's target the container. I will be adding the padding of 5 rm to the top and bottom and 9% to the left and right. Okay, there we have our padding. Let's actually target the text container, which is holding our image and the text. I will set the background color to white, border radius of 1 rm, margin to the bottom of 5 rm. Actually, we don't need this margin bottom. Let's remove that. Okay, now let's target the paragraph. Let's actually target the image. Let's make it look nicer. For the image, I will set the height to 30 rm and object fit cover. Let's set the width to 100%, and I will set the border top left radius and also right radius 1 rm each. Okay, there we have the border. And finally, I will just target the paragraph, add some padding to rm, to all sides, line height to 2. Okay, let's also set the font family which I imported, that is Poppins. Okay, there we have our dummy content, guys. As you can see, we now have the scroll bar. Please make sure you focus more on the scroll bar rather than the content. I only wanted to give you the demo content over here. Okay, let's focus on the scroll bar. Now that you are seeing this ugly looking default browser scroll bar, we need to understand a few things about it. Okay, let me quickly grab my pen. As you can see, this area is actually reserved for the scroll bar, right? Okay, this area is actually called as scroll bar, and the track in which the scroll bar actually moves is actually called as scroll bar track, and this one, the one which actually moves, is actually called as scroll bar thumb. And actually we can target each of these and modify it however we want. So let's get on to it. Inside our styles.css file, let me just clear out these. Okay, inside my CSS file, first let's target the thumb, guys, this one. In order to target that, I need to say here HTML WebKit scrollbar thumb, guys. As you can see, I will set the background color of it to grayish, and let's also add some border radius of 5 rem. Okay, actually I need to actually target the scroll bar over here. HTML WebKit scroll bar, and let's set the width to 0.7 rem. As you can see, now I have actually, as I said, this area is actually reserved for the scroll bar, right? And we are setting that length over here, that width of 0.7 rem. As you can see, now we have the custom scroll bar. We can actually target the track. Let me show you. Here I will also say HTML WebKit scroll bar track, and here I will also add some box shadow inside inset 0 0 6 pixels, RGBA value of 0 0 0 and alpha value of 0.3. As you can see, there we have added our box shadow. Let's also say set some background color of F5 and little bit grayish color. As you can see, there we have our custom scroll bar, guys. Remember, all you have to do is remember these, guys: scroll bar thumb, scroll bar, and the scroll bar track. Okay, that's it, guys, for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something from this video. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.